Okay, here's the deal. We're getting the Caravan apart. So far, so good. A little more damage than what I thought. As you can see, yep, radiator fan shot. The bottom of it still runs, but we're going back everything new. So it's y'all can see the damage right now. You can see what's involved with this and the whole shroud piece. There's the new one right there. So what I'm doing, just getting all this apart, about to pull the condenser off. Condenser is still holding Freon. Well, you can hear it leaking a little bit, but that's just air because I vacuumed the system out. And but anyways, so it's got a little bit left in it. Anyway, so let me get this off, get the radiator out, put the new radiator in. We got everything inside, and as long as it's Sammy approved, huh, Sam? Yep, approved. Good. All right, let's get started.